Hello students. Now let us try these questions from exercise 2a. The first question says, which of the following expressions are polynomial? Now again, if you recall the definition of a polynomial, it says a polynomial is an algebraic expression where the power of the variables are positive integer. Now if you look at the power of x, if you look at the power of this x, both are positive. Here the power is 2, here the power is 1. Both are positive. So therefore it is a polynomial. Why? Because the power of the variables are positive. So how do you write? Since, write down, like this you write down. Since the expression is this given equation. Since the expression contains non-negative means positive. Since the expression contains non-negative integral power of x, therefore it is a polynomial. Therefore it is a polynomial answer. Now again let us understand, since the expression contains non-negative means positive, integral power, integral means which is not in the form of fraction, which is not in the form of a decimal, it's pure number, natural number. Non-negative integral power of x means the power of x are non-negative, are positive and integer, are positive integer, therefore it is a polynomial. Next question, if I write number 3, if I have 5 root x plus 11. Now you check whether it is a polynomial or not. Whether it is a polynomial or not. Now this expression, first of all, I can write down like this. The given expression can be written as, how can you write this expression? 5, this root x, when you remove the root from this x, it becomes to the power 1 by 2 plus 11. Again, if you remove the root from any number or any variable, it becomes to the power 1 by 2. If you remove the square root, and if you remove the cube root, it becomes to the power 1 by 3. This small things has to be kept in mind. Alright, these are very, very important, and if you do not keep these small things in our mind, we make mistake, and when we make mistake, the answer is wrong. So the given expression can be written as this way. Now, since the expression contains, now look at the power of x. Is it positive? Yes, it is positive, but it is not integral, it is a fractional. So you write down, since the expression contains a rational power, of x, which is in the form of a rational number 1 by 2, therefore it is not a polynomial. It is not a. You can write down fractional power of x also. If you find rational power is quite confusing, if you want to make it easy, you can write down fractional power also, or you can write down non-integral power also. Alright, these are the various way of writing. Whichever way you want, you can write, but it should be correct. Since the expression contains Since the expression contains a rational power of x, therefore it is not a polynomial. It is not a polynomial. In this way, the remaining question of question number 1, you can try. Now let us move to question number 2. Now let us check this question number 2. Write down the degree of each of the following polynomials. The first question says 3x minus root 7. Now again, if you recall, what is a degree? Degree means the highest power of a variable. So you must check the variables involved here. What is the variable here? X. So what is the power of x? 1. So therefore, degree equals to 1. Check here. X to the power 2. The power of this x is 2. The power of this x is 1. Which is bigger? 2 is bigger. So therefore, degree equals to 2. Check this power. The power of this x is 3. The power of this x is 2. The power of this x is 1. So, which is the biggest? 3, 2, 1. Which is the biggest? 3. Therefore, degree equals to 3. So, these are some very, very simple questions which we have learned from the definitions. Alright, this is a very simple question. Now, let us move on to the next question, that's number 3. Now, let us learn question number 3. Now, question number 3 says, write coefficient of x in this expression, x cubed plus 7x squared plus 9x plus 11. Now, what is a coefficient? Let us understand. What is a coefficient? Coefficient means the numeral form, the number which is in front of any variable. In this case, what is the coefficient of x cubed? 1. 1 is there. Nothing is there. It means here 1 is there. What is the coefficient of x squared? 7. What is the coefficient of x? 9. Since there is no variable, this is a constant. Okay. So the coefficient means any number which is in front of any variable. That is called the coefficient. Now here, coefficient of x, therefore coefficient of x is what now? We are asked the coefficient of x, not x squared or x cubed. So you write down the number which is in front of x, that is 9. So therefore the coefficient of x is 9. That is the answer. Finish. Very simple. The coefficient of x squared. Now you check where is the x squared? X to the power 4, x to the power 3, x to the power 2 means x squared. So what is the coefficient of x squared? What is in front of x squared? That is 9. Therefore, coefficient of x squared is 9. That is the answer. Again, coefficient of x cubed. Check where is x cubed? X to the power 4, x cubed. This is x cubed. So what is in front of x cubed? 5. So therefore 5 is the coefficient of x cubed. Therefore, coefficient of x cubed is 5. This is the answer. So with this, we have come to the end of exercise 2a. The question number 4 is there. You have to just find out linear, quadratic and cubic. That can be done by you also. Check the power. If the degree is 1, it is linear. If the degree is 2, it is quadratic. If the degree is 3, it is cubic. And if the degree is 4, it is biquadratic. So this simple question, I leave it up to you. Now please check this exercise thoroughly. You practice this exercise, you'll understand much better. Thank you.